So student scores 74, 73, and 83 on the first three tests. She wants her average to be at least 80 to earn a B minus in the class. What is the minimum score she needs to get on the fourth test to have an average of a B minus, which is that 80%, right? Or just 80. And yeah, we pretty much get to assume that these are all out of 100, I guess. Maybe it wouldn't matter. Just whatever the average needs to be, it needs to be 80, right? So what were the first three scores? We got 74, 73, 83, right? And then the fourth score, we don't know what it is yet. That's the X is going to be the fourth test score. And I'll define it up here. I think that's a good practice. The fourth test score. Almost ran out of room there. Now it's the average, right? Which means we need to add all these together and divide it by however many there were, which in this case is 4. Just please don't get that mixed up, because a lot of students in years past, when we did this on paper, the test, a lot of students would forget to put that X on there, or the 4, right? And be like, well, 74 plus 73 plus 83 divided by 4, and then it's just kind of a straight comparison. But we want to know, and that's the real question here, what's the score on the fourth test to make the average the 80? Well, we would like it to be equal to 80, that would be fine, but if it were more than 80, that's also fine. Now, you don't really have to write this as an inequality, because an 80 would be the minimum average that we need. So whether you use the inequality here or not really isn't important, right? Because X right now is going to tell us the minimum score as is. So I would like to get rid of that divide by 4 right there in the denominator. Just get rid of it completely by multiplying both sides by 4. So 80 times 4 is 320. And I can combine these right now as well. Just simplify the numerator. So I'll go to my calculator on this one and do 74 plus 73 plus, oh man, I erased it, plus 83. I think I typed that in correct. So that's 230. So as of right now, all the scores together that the student has taken, the 3 adds up to 230. So what do we have to add to that to make it greater than or equal to the 320? Well, I'm going to use a principle of equality on that. Subtract 230 from both sides, and then we get X. That's the fourth test score. It needs to be greater than or equal to 90 on that. Right, 320 minus 230, yeah, 90. So this student needs at least a score of 90. I feel like this one needs a label on it, right, because it is a word problem. So I'm going to just put a 90 score. It didn't say it was points really. So score of 90. There we go.